How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I am from New York.
What do you do for a living?
I work as an engineer.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
What time is it?
It is 10:30.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer drinking coffee.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I am learning it now.
Where do you live?
I live in a small apartment.
What is the weather like?
It is a bit rainy today.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your hobby?
I really enjoy playing guitar.
Are you hungry?
No, I just had lunch.
What is your favorite food?
I love eating Italian pizza.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
Where are you going?
I am going to the supermarket.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like watching football.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to the cinema.
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a white car.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a pilot.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What are you cooking?
I am making some chicken soup.
Is this your book?
No, that belongs to my sister.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, but I want to go there.
What is your phone number?
I can't remember it right now.
Are you married?
No, I am currently single.
What is your favorite movie?
I really like Interstellar.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I read before going to bed.
How do you go to work?
I usually take the bus.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Leo.
What is your favorite fruit?
I love eating red apples.
Are you tired?
A little bit, it was a long day.
Where is the nearest bank?
It is just around the corner.
What are you doing now?
I am talking to you.
Do you like summer?
No, I prefer the winter season.
What did you buy?
I bought a new pair of shoes.
Can you swim?
Yes, I learned it last summer.
What is your father's job?
He is a retired doctor.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go to the gym twice a week.
What is the date today?
It is the 4th of February.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am very happy.
What do you want to drink?
Just a glass of water, please.
Do you have a map?
No, but I have Google Maps.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, let's leave now.
What is your favorite season?
I love autumn because of the colors.
How do you like your eggs?
I like them scrambled with cheese.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I prefer the quiet countryside.
What is the last book you read?
I recently finished a mystery novel.
Do you have a favorite sport?
Basketball is my favorite sport to play.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am definitely a night owl.
What is your favorite dessert?
I can't say no to chocolate cake.
How many languages can you speak?
I speak 2 languages fluently.
Do you like to travel by plane?
No, I am actually afraid of flying.
What is your favorite animal?
I have always loved dolphins.
Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Yes, it helps me relax after work.
What is your favorite fast food?
I really like cheeseburgers.
Do you wear glasses or contacts?
I wear glasses for reading.
What kind of movies do you hate?
I don't really like horror movies.
Have you ever seen a ghost?
No, I don't believe in them.
What is your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite time of year.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I am allergic to peanuts.
What is your favorite pizza topping?
I always choose mushrooms and olives.
Do you prefer coffee black or with milk?
I like it with a lot of milk.
What is your favorite school subject?
History was always my favorite.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I love sleeping under the stars.
What is your favorite song right now?
I am listening to a lot of jazz lately.
How often do you go to the dentist?
I go for a checkup every 6 months.
Do you have a lucky number?
My lucky number is 7.
What is the best gift you ever received?
A handmade watch from my father.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, the spicier the better.
What is your favorite vegetable?
I really like roasted carrots.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I am definitely a dog person.
What is your favorite type of music?
I love classic rock music.
Have you ever broken a bone?
Yes, I broke my arm when I was 10.
What is your favorite way to exercise?
I enjoy swimming in the morning.
Do you like to watch the news?
I usually read it online instead.
What is your favorite sandwich?
A simple turkey and Swiss sandwich.
Do you prefer tea with honey or sugar?
I always use honey in my tea.
What is your favorite flower?
Sunflowers always make me happy.
Do you like to go to museums?
Yes, especially art museums.
What is your favorite board game?
I really enjoy playing chess.
Do you like rain?
Yes, it helps me sleep better.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
Vanilla with caramel syrup.
Do you have a favorite superhero?
Batman has always been my favorite.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
I drink a large glass of water.
Do you like to dance?
No, I have 2 left feet.
What is your favorite smell?
The smell of fresh rain on dry earth.
Do you prefer silver or gold jewelry?
I think silver looks better on me.
What is your favorite time of day?
I love the sunset hour.
Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family.
Can you play football?
Yes, but I am not very good.
What color is your house?
My house is white and blue.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I eat an apple every day.
Where is your school?
It is near the city center.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I use it on weekends.
Is your room clean?
Yes, I clean it every morning.
What do you drink for breakfast?
I always drink orange juice.
Where is the cat now?
It is sleeping on the sofa.
Is this book interesting?
Yes, I like the story very much.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study for 1 hour every day.
What is in your bag?
I have a pen and a notebook.
Is the water hot?
No, the water is very cold.
What do you see?
I see a beautiful bird.
Where is my phone?
It is on the kitchen table.
What is your father's name?
His name is Robert.
Do you like to sing?
No, I am a bad singer.
Where is the hospital?
It is behind the park.
What is the baby doing?
The baby is crying.
Do you have a pencil?
Yes, here you are.
How is the soup?
The soup is very hot and delicious.
Where are my keys?
They are in your pocket.
Is the sky blue?
Yes, it is very clear today.
What are you eating?
I am eating a cheese sandwich.
Is the dog big?
No, it is a very small dog.
Where is your brother?
He is in the garden.
Do you like milk?
No, I don't like milk.
Do you have a watch?
Yes, it is a new watch.
What color is the bus?
The bus is yellow.
Where is your mother?
She is at work.
Do you like bread?
Yes, I like fresh bread.
Is the car fast?
Yes, it is a very fast car.
Do you have a question?
No, I understand everything.